working on a 2016 Ford Transit Connect. We're just gonna do some pads on this, so it'll be a little quick one. Jack it up in the jack points. I put a jack stand under it, so it's not gonna fall. 7. I like to loosen the crack these open, and then I take that front spring off. So crack open. And then these things have a little cap on them, so we're just gonna take these cap off. Just grab them, pull them off. Other side here. Just pull the spring out. And then you kind of want to pull these out a bit, right? So this gap is you see that little indentation. For the rear brakes on a lot of these newer cars, you can't just push the piston back. There's always some sort of scenario they need to be like twisted and pushed back, or twisted all the way and then pushed back, or if there's an electronic piece, you have to deal with that. So this isn't something you probably just want to go buy. If you're just doing it once, you could go borrow these from your parts stores, AutoZone, O'Reilly, Napa, and then you'll find the right corresponding key. And then my kit has a left hand and a right hand. Like this way. So now this fits in like so. So now we're gonna press this down by twisting this side, but keeping this twisted with it too. Okay, remember, sometimes these holes have to be lined up differently, but that's sat all the way down. Gear pads. Front. That's not either. Well, being Ford. All right, so definitely check your part numbers. My dude was dyslexic, so he gave me the wrong part number, so I had to stop everything and go get the right one. But now we're back here. So we're gonna put that non-spring one on the outside. The spring one on the inside and bracket, well, this is flat, so I need to position that back caliper any different. So just when you go on it here, make sure you go on it straight. If that spring can pop to one side or another, if it does.
Now here's when make sure this lines up. Do not misstep these things.
In there properly. And I'll just get these tight. You don't need to overdo these. Just tight. Good. I'm gonna pull it back here. So that thing, so the side of it goes in that hole, and I put the bolt on. See if I can do this one-handed. So put this side in, and I put the tip of that side in first, and go around the corner. Okay, you gotta make sure these are fully in. And then back. And that's how you replace rear pads. I'll put some anti-seize on these and put the tire back on. Good luck.